I've already had this out, let my little kitten use it, and he absolutely loved this thing. He played with it, you know, for hours upon ends. And let's just kind of like go over the box here. You know, it's quintuple the fun. How about that? And it's from the company ORSDA, and kind of like going over some of the specs here, the features. It's a rechargeable, so it's a USB rechargeable battery run at the same time. You can have multiple kind of toys going at once. It's got a smart toggle of on and off. You can see right there. It's got touch control. It's got the natural, and this is everything that came with it, nylon mat. So basically, you can put the wand, you get a little wand. He liked the wand more than anything. And what this wand does, it just rolls along this little gear mechanism in there. Y'all see that little cog set in there, which makes it twist. And then in here is the little whack-a-mole thing. Here's your, you know, your charge cable, which is a USB-C charge cable. I got 10,000 of those. Extra feathers for changing that. But here's something that was very interesting too. So this just snaps down on here like this. You see how that snaps on there? I'll lift it up where you can see it. You see that thing? Now this little thing right here, I didn't know what this was at first, but what you're going to do, you're going to lift that off, take that off, and then this slides down on it just like this. And the reason it does this is for the fact that it makes this little wand goes along, and he is somebody that likes to jump at toys and grab them when they're moving around. You can see it right here. There's the little feather. That's, you can't see that. The fish, look what the fish does. And then the wand. See what the wand does? If you have a cat that likes to jump on like pillows and your blankets and things like that, this works great. And then to change the feather, actually, I'll take this cover back off so you can actually, it's easier to see. I like this cover, this nylon cover, because it helps with the wand, but we'll go ahead and take that cover off and put this back on. And let me show you how this thing works. Here's the wand. See how the wand just kind of moves around a lot? The feather and then the whack-a-mole. You're talking about stimulation. If you got multiple cats, this works really well for like 2 or 3 cats because they can all jump on it. This looks haywire. It's like, but me personally, what he liked the most for me was this wand. This wand kept him entertained for days. The little fish will get overstimulating at times, and when they grab it, see what it does? So you grab it, and then watch when you let go. It takes off again. So that's, and it's pretty much some indestructible material. The way they've designed it, it's like an indestructible type material. I'll throw some video up of him using it. He absolutely loved this thing. He was jumping at all of it, whether it was the wand, the fish, the feather. This thing worked as advertised. I was very impressed with it. I had no issues out of it. I've been using it for about a week now, and he seems to really like it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the 5-in-1 flying fish cat toy. See you all in the next video.